horseshoes. Ugh. Screw it. Let's get in the car. It's not where I wanted to go. I want to go that way. I'm gonna get lost back here. That's a big fucking bird. Hi, you big fucking bird. Where'd the birdies go? They're somewhere over there. Which way? Right or left? Alright, I'm back. Did you miss me? Let's see. That's pretty cool. Come to my window. I can't stand the rain. Boy, you got my heartbeat running away. Like boom, ba-dum, ba-boom, ba-dum, away. Yeah. Like boom, ba-dum, 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 bum, way. Yeah. Boy, you got my heartbeat running away. Hey, there's green grass. Or something, green something. I have a runny nose now. I'm in the middle of the woods and I need to blow my nose. You got a tissue? Huh? You got a tissue? At least if I needed to pee, there's plenty of places. Like, those allergy shots have been getting to me. They've been helping. Ow! They've been helping though. Boy, you got my heartbeat running away. Like boom, ba-dum, boom, boom, ba-dum, boom, way. Yeah. A super freak. Which way? This way or this way is out faster. Let's go this way. Alright, I'm back. Did you miss me? Let's see. That's pretty cool looking, isn't it? I wonder if those are... I wonder if it's a beaver. Like, I keep finding like trees that have been eating. They look like they've been eaten. I guess there's a beaver around here, maybe. Oh shit! Oh shit! What the hell was that? Okay. Yeah, that tree right back there. You see that tree? That tree looks like it would get eaten by a beaver or something. I was planning on going up right there. If I don't fucking fall on my ass. Fall in a creek. That was very slippery. Okay. Let's go up here. Okay. Safe. Safe. Starting to get hot. Crap. We know going that way. Why I must turn back, my friends. I must turn back. There's a lot of freaking, whatever they're called. That is a hell of a stick tight. Look at these things. Let's see them, they're pretty big. Ow. Okay, we're good. That's all we got. Where the hell did that come from?